In 2022, there are many new heavy-duty sewing machines on the market that will make your sewing projects easier and faster. Some of the best machines on the market today include Singer sewing machines, Brother sewing machines, Janome, and Juki sewing machines. If you're looking for a machine that can handle any project you may need to sew, be sure to check out these machines. We have included links in the description box. Let's get started. At number 1 is Singer Heavy Duty 4432. Given that it has fewer features than most mechanical sewing machines, the Singer 4432 is fairly simple to use. It contains 32 built-in stitches, including a one-step buttonhole in addition to 18 decorative stitches, 6 basic stitches, and 7 stretch stitches. The stitch width on this sewing machine is adjusted using a dial that offers a maximum setting of 6. Additionally, the Singer 4432 has a built-in needle threader with 3 distinct needle positions that saves time. It boasts a motor that is 60% more powerful than previous motors, enabling the machine to sew at a speed of 1100 SPM and with enough piercing strength to cut through many layers of fabric. And because it's affordable, it's a fantastic choice for individuals who wish to learn to sew. Although the Singer 4432 is suitable for beginners, as you gain experience, its functionlessness becomes limiting. Additionally, this machine is lighter than others on the market because it is partially composed of plastic to minimize weight. At number 2 is Janome HD3000B, one of the top heavy-duty sewing machines available today, built for durability. Though not as many and fancy as those seen in other models, it offers a few intriguing features. The Janome HD3000B is a solid aluminum body that will last with you throughout your sewing journey, even though it lacks many features that no one ever uses in their entire sewing life. When the motor is running, it is heavy enough to both remain put and be moved from one location to another. The machine has 21 built-in stitches, more than enough for domestic use, and a free arm for sewing sleeves and cuffs quickly. Its design is practical as well as durable for lengthy use. It contains a chamber where you can keep spare feet and other supplies like needles. The Janome HD3000B essentially is a 1.0 motor that can stitch through multiple layers of fabric. Denim and canvas, which are thicker materials, will be simple for you to deal with. The machine also has a built-in needle threader, a transparent bobbin that lets you see how much thread is left, and a protective cover that protects it from dust, among other useful features. Additionally, the hard cover makes it portable. At number 3 is Singer Heavy Duty 4452. This model was created by Singer to guarantee a high degree of quality. With its 32 built-in stitches, you will have a lot of flexibility when quilting and sewing. There are also several accessories available to help you get going. This is a solid model that gives off the impression of being long-lasting. You will be supported by a 25-year warranty on the machine head and a 2-year warranty on the motor if something should go wrong. This is excellent durability and is heavy-duty in that regard. The types of materials it can handle are where it falls short of being heavy-duty. It's crucial to know that it can struggle with materials like thick leather or multiple layers. Additionally, if you prefer working with larger thread spools, the fact that it doesn't support them can be frustrating. Aside from those problems, this device excels in practically every regard. It doesn't take up a lot of room and is fairly small. The table won't shake because the vibrations are kept to a minimum. The integrated lights to aid in sewing accuracy are another excellent feature. You may use this model in any project, and it is rather stunning. At number 4 is Juki TL2010Q Heavy-Duty Sewing Machine. This portable sewing machine is ideal for all jobs and can be used anywhere. This sewing machine will do the job because it has cutting-edge features and systems of industrial quality. The stitch speed may be changed from 200 to 1500 stitches per minute at the press of a button, and there is a lot of customization at your disposal. Thanks to the microcomputer control, the stitches also move freely and smoothly. You can still achieve accuracy and consistency at very low speeds. The heavy-duty machine will use the automatic thread trimmer to snip the needle and bobbin thread ends once you are finished. Juki TL2010Q's presser foot can be adjusted to accommodate materials of various thicknesses. When working with materials that are challenging to feed, you also have a dependable and even feed, which is quite helpful. This becomes very clear while making quilts. You have a knee lift lever, an automatic needle threader, a built-in LED light, a neat and simple way to replace the bobbin, and more. This machine is loaded with functions that will make sewing simpler. At number 5 is Brother PQ1500S L heavy-duty sewing machine. This sewing and quilting machine is ideal if you are interested in quilting. The sewing machine is as sturdy as you can find and has been built to be strong and durable from the inside out, which is crucial when working on huge quilting projects. The Brother PQ1500S L has a maximum stitch rate of 1500 per minute. You will be able to complete such substantial quilting tasks with ease once you start working on them. To expedite your task even more, you also have an automatic needle threader and a time-saving thread cutter. To enhance the management of the fabric as it passes through the machine, Brother created the pin-fed method uniquely. One of the machines you will need for complicated jobs is this one. The extension table may be removed to conserve room and be converted back to a sewing machine, making it ideal for those big projects. The knee lifter makes it possible for you to raise the presser foot while sewing without removing your hands from the work. A fantastic sewing machine that has the advantages of being both strong and simple to operate. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and leave a comment. If you found this video helpful, click on the links in the description to find out more about the products